Hi everyone, this is Stamp, Cut, and Create. Linda Huffman speaking. Today I have the newest Making a Difference Stampin' Up kit called Nourish and Flourish. It is on page 4 and 5 of the new mini catalog. And this kit comes with this cute little lunch bag, enough supplies to make 9 cards, including envelopes, embellishments, and stickers. Some of the pieces in here I've already punched out. These are not stickers. These are embellishments, paper embellishments that you can use foam dots or glue or whatever, dimensionals. It comes with 9 envelopes in 3 different colors. The kit itself has directions for 3 different card setups. And of course, you can make these 3 cards, or you can take the pieces and the stickers and design your own card. For every one of these kits that's purchased, Stampin' Up! Is going to donate $3 to a food group that supports people who don't have food. So it's not only a fun and easy kit to make, but it's going to help someone that needs help. These are the punch outs and the sentiments. These are the stickers. It comes with these little gold colored pearls. These are the dimensionals, and then we have glue dots here, and these are the 6 coordinating colors: shaded spruce, pool party, old olive, daffodil delight, calypso coral, and petal pink. So usually when I start out with a kit like this, this is what I do. I get all my pieces out and ready to go, and then I can sit down and either follow the directions or pick up pieces that I want from other Stampin' Up! Things. These are the card bases, and I don't know how well you can see this, but these are all embossed. There's 3 in each. This one's a flower. It's not a flower. It's a leaf, vine. This is a diamond shape with flowers in it. And then this one's pretty easy to see, I think. There you go. There you go. And bear with me a second. I'm going to bring you get a little lunch kit. Not kit, just a lunch carrier, which is insulated. And you can see it in the mini catalog. But I thought maybe you'd like to see it here in person. This is the pattern on the front. And if you turn it around, it does have the Stampin' Up! Logo on the back, but it's cute colors. It does have a insulated lining in there, so it's really, really, really a nice piece, and that makes the price of $39 well worth it. $3 of which is going to charity, so I think it's a good buy. Anyway, that's all I'm going to show you for today. Tomorrow, we'll follow up with this and give you, well, I could give you the item number, which would be nice, huh? The item number is, the item number for the Nourish and Flourish kit on page 5 is 160230. And it's $39. So I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll actually put a card together. Anyway, have a great day.